Hello, class. Today we are doing Blue P2.3. All right, I'm doing even numbers and you are doing all. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. It says, find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the linear equation. Well, first of all, we want to be sure that we have the slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? Once we do that, we recognize that this is slope and this is y-intercept. Okay? So let's take a look. When we look at this equation, let's rearrange it. Y is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 4. So with that in mind, we can recognize that this is the slope. The slope is negative 2/5, and the y-intercept is positive 4. Okay? All right. Well, let's do this. Let's give the coordinates of the y-intercept, which would be 0, 4. Okay? That will be the y-intercept. Okay. Now, let's look at number 4. You graph the linear equation, identify the x-intercept. Remember, when identifying the x-intercept, it's when the line crosses the x-axis, okay? So here, we start with our y-intercept of positive 6. And because the spacing is, we have such a small graph, we're going to add an extra line in between, okay? All right. Okay, so now here we go. Let's go to positive 6, 0, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There, okay? And then we're going to fall 2, and we're going to go to the left 2 to keep it positive because it's a positive progression. Okay, so here we go. We're going to fall 2, 1, 2, run 3, 1, 2, 3. Fall 2, 1, 2, run 3, 1, 2, 3. Fall 2 here, run 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that's where we hit the x-axis. So let's see what number that is. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is our number. So we are 9, 0 is our x. Class, let's take a look now at this equation where we have y equals negative 90x plus 1,440. So what we discover is that we have a large number here and a small graph. So what can we do is we can make this 140, okay? And so at this point, what we want to do, if this is going to be 1,440, not 140, but 1,440, what we can do is make y 0 so we'll know where the line crosses the x-axis, okay? And we know it's a negative progression, so it's going to go this way, okay? So then let's take a look. Let's make y 0. Okay, so if this is 0, then we can isolate x, okay? So then if we take 1,440 from both sides, this is negative 1,440 equals negative 90x. Divide both sides by negative 90, and x is going to give us 16. So then now we know then that x crosses at 16. So let's find 16. Let's say we're going to create these count by 4. So we have 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 4 4s. Okay? And so now what we have is this coordinate, which is 0, 1,440, and this coordinate, which is 16, 0. Okay? And so we can graph like this. Okay? So now, let's move on to B. B says, so now, when we take a look, our x-intercept is 16. So we know then there's a total of 16 games. After 16, there are no more games, okay? So 16 is our total games, okay? Then we know that at our slope, we know that each game is 90 minutes per game. Okay? All right. See you in the morning.